Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your resume in Canva. This is super useful if you want to include your LinkedIn profile, portfolio website, or any other online presence directly in your resume. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your resume in Canva. Once your resume is loaded on your screen, you'll want to identify the text you'd like to turn into a clickable link. This could be your email address, your LinkedIn profile text, or even a phrase like "visit my portfolio." Go ahead and select that specific text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. You'll notice the text becomes highlighted, and a floating toolbar appears right above it with various formatting options. Now, on this floating toolbar, look for an option labeled More, which is represented by 3 dots icon. Click on it to reveal additional formatting options that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. This menu gives you access to more advanced text features, including the ability to add hyperlinks to your selected text. From the expanded menu, click on the Link option. This action will open a small text field where you can insert the URL you want to attach to your selected text. For example, if you're linking to your LinkedIn profile, you type or paste the full URL here, such as https://www.linkedin.com/in/your-profile. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate, as this is what people will click on when they view your resume. Once you've entered your URL, click Done or simply press Enter on your keyboard. The link is now embedded in your selected text, and it will appear underlined or in a different color depending on your resume's design settings. This visual indicator lets viewers know that the text is clickable and leads to an external resource. Now that your link is added, it's time to download your resume so the hyperlink works properly when shared. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This will open a drop-down menu with several sharing and exporting options available to you. From the drop-down menu, click on Download. This will bring up another set of options where you can choose the file format for your resume. Select PDF Standard from the list. This format ensures that your hyperlinks remain active and clickable when someone opens your resume on their device. PDF Standard is widely compatible and maintains the professional look of your document. Finally, click the Download button. Canva will process your resume and prepare it for download, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's ready, the file will automatically save to your device's default download folder, and you'll have a professional resume with a fully functional clickable link embedded right in it. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your resume in Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.